Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how to schedule a package pickup using the UPS app. So first, open the UPS app and sign into your account if required. Now look for the shipping or pickup section and choose the option to schedule a pickup. Then enter the pickup address and provide the requested package information. Now, depending on the shipment, you may need details such as the number of packages, approximate weight, and pickup date. Then choose an available pickup date and time or pickup window. Now, review the information carefully before confirming and make sure the package is properly prepared and has the required UPS shipping label before the driver arrives. Once the pickup is scheduled, keep the confirmation information available in case you need to make changes. So that was how to schedule a UPS pickup through the app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.